wig that I'm reviewing today is from Asteria Hair. Their information is below. This is a 5x5 lace closure wig. This is what the lace looks like in the construction of the wig. You have your combs at the sides and the bottom. This is a 180 density wig and it's in 22 inches. And like I said, all the information is in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So y'all already know I love closure wigs because they're so simple to install. It literally takes 1, 2, 3. Even though it's a closure, you don't have to use a stocking cap, but I am because it's just my preference. So I'm going to go through with my Got To Be Free spray and just spray it across the front of my hairline because I don't have to do it across the sides because it's a closure, and that is the beautiful part. As you know, my hairline is weird, so closure wigs are honestly perfect for me. So now I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry this and let it set. Had to move my camera a little bit because my cord for my blow dryer is too short. I think I forgot to mention that I'm using the sheer stocking caps because you know you have your normal stocking caps that are super thick and then you have the ones that are sheer. These are now my go-to. It's just harder to cut them. Not harder, but you know, you have to get all those little fine pieces in the front. So now I'm going through with my lace tint and spraying the closure, and then I'm going to go through with my cream makeup that I got from Walmart. I'm going to put it over my stocking cap just to help blend my cap and my lace so that everything looks super transparent. So now I put the wig on my head and I just made sure that it fits snug. I put in the combs on the sides and the back. And now it's time for the glue. But before I do that, I'm going to go through with rubbing alcohol and clean up my hairline because I put on a crap ton of makeup on my forehead like a dummy, forgetting that I had to put glue on there. So I had to go through and clean it up really quickly. And then I'm going to go through with my glue from Wig Dealer, my handy dandy Wig Dealer glue, and just spray it across. Not spray, what the heck. Even though they do have a spray, I am using the liquid glue clearly, and I'm just putting that across my hairline. I did 2 layers in total. I'm still going to go through later on with my wig bond spray, but I wanted to start off with this. Now, why am I looking at this footage and it looks like my closure is slightly crooked? I did not even notice that. The whole few days that I wore this wig, I did not even notice it. Y'all, it came out all right, but it is a little crooked right here. Let's just ignore that. Y'all, I'm so embarrassed now. I don't even want to look at the rest of this footage. But anyways, I got to go ahead and cut off this lace. I don't mind cutting off the lace on a closure because it's so simple. All I have to do is go across my forehead. When it comes to them frontals, baby, you see those little edges sticking out on the side? That's where we go to fighting. But because it's just a little bit for the closure, we are good to go. So as I mentioned earlier, now I'm just going behind my hairline with the, not the free spray, with the wig bond glue. I don't know why I like doing this. It's completely optional, honestly. I just feel like it makes the wigs sturdier to me, in my opinion. But you don't have to do this, clearly. See, I don't know if y'all heard me mention in the beginning of this video where I said that this wig is 180 density, but that is thick. So that means I have to go through this hair and define these curls. So I'm going to be using my spray bottle with just some water in there. And then I'm going to use my Cream of Nature curling cream. You can use any cream you want to. I just use this because I had it laying around, honestly, truly. But mousse or whatever your preference is will work. But you will need to define these curls. Unless you like the poofy look. I used to like the poofy look, but now I like the defined look just so that it lays a little bit flatter. So you know what else I just realized? I don't know why I just took the time to spray all my hair like that when I didn't even do my baby hairs yet. And it's just going to dry and get poofy again and I'm going to have to respray it. Anyways, now I'm just doing my baby hairs like a dummy. You know, I do a lot of things backwards. Anyways, doing my baby hairs, I'm curling backwards with my new favorite mini flat iron. Love those things. And now I'm just going to go ahead and swoop them. Baby hairs was super easy to use. I love to use my gel for my baby hair. Did I say my baby hair is super easy to use? I don't know, child. Anyways, I like to use EcoStyle gel on my edges because it just lasts better to me than mousse and anything else. But if y'all have any other suggestions, please let me know. Once the baby hairs are setting, I'm going to go through with my hot comb and just flatten the top just a little bit. As you can see, there is a little gap right there where I over bleach my knots. I did go through and spray that later, but I do want to show you what it looks like curled and straight down. Like, look how pretty this is. Look at this curl pattern. It was super simple. The style probably took me like 20-30 minutes total to really do, but the curl pattern is super pretty and it's super thick and full. Can you tell that it's crooked? No, you cannot tell that my closure is crooked. Anyways, look at pointing that out. I fixed that later though, but it was getting on my nerves. But yeah, so this is just what it looks like. Curl pattern is cute, but you know your girl has something else planned up her sleeve. I've been seeing everybody doing the cute half up, half down style with their curly wigs. So I said, you know what? Let me try it with a closure, with a closure just to see what it looks like. And I think it came out cute. So I'm going to show you how I did that. So normally this would be the time where I'm explaining what I'm doing, but I don't really know what I'm doing. I was really just winging it. I just saw people make like two wide parts on the sides and pin it behind their head and then put the rest of their hair in a ponytail. So that is exactly what I did. This ain't a tutorial because this is my first time doing it. But, you know, I just want to show you how I did it. It was relatively simple, but it just took some time to really get everything looking right, if that makes sense. So this is the little spray I was talking about, the root touch up. I got this from the beauty supply store. Usually I'm lazy and I use eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. But I'm like, you know what? I'm at the beauty supply store. Let's try the root touch up like everybody else use. Did y'all know this is a little bit harder than I imagined to use? I got some in the middle of my part. I'm a novice at this, but I'll get a little better. But anyways, it really did help. You got to smooth it in with your comb and then you are good to go. So really the hardest part of the style is making them two little fake bang pieces in the front. I do want to point out that later on, after outside of this video, I did cut the wig a little bit on the sides where my ears are, because as you can see, the hair is covering my ears. And I'm like, that don't look right. So I'm like, let me go and like I had to cut the wig itself to make it fit behind my ears a little bit. But besides that, it came out looking cute. So this is that little style. I felt like one of them girls, and I was really excited about this. If you don't like it, you are a hater. Ooh, look how cute she is. Okay, look at them curls popping though. I really got them curls popping. I wish I would have got them popping like that when I had it down. Now you can really see what the curl pattern looks like. It is super cute and defined. Go off, sis, because I did it. And it came out cute with a closure. You know, most people do this with a frontal, but I'm like, you know what? I can do it with a closure. And so, yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, yeah, before I go, I do want to talk a little bit about this hair because we need to know the stats. Like I said before, it's 180 density, 22 inches. It is curly hair. It is super thick. I wore this hair out to the club over the weekend. And it was really sturdy. You know, I didn't have any issues like with tingling or shedding or anything. You know, no one spilled anything in my hair. So we came out great. If you want to take this hair, if you want to wear it out, if you want to wear it in, I'm pretty sure it will be good for you. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Adios. Till next time.